20 odd years ago, when we made our first vintage tractor video, we had no real idea of the level of enthusiasm in the subject. We knew lots of people had Dad's old tractor, or one that looked like it, but we didn't know there were people with 10, 20, 30 or more vintage machines tucked away on their farms or round their homes. However, we soon found there were quite a lot of them about, including Robbie Thorpe, who has what he describes as 40-ish machines on a small holding near Holbeach in Lincolnshire. He admits that many people would find it an odd enthusiasm.
I suppose so, a brick short of a load most of the time, but yeah, I suppose I am a bit nutty about them.
He may think he's a bit nutty. Most folk would say he's mad about vintage tractors. Robbie's tractor collection, he can't quite explain how many, since it keeps on changing as something else of interest comes up, is housed in the yard and a number of sheds around his home. The interest in tractors goes back a long way.